Okay. So welcome back students to our GK class. Okay. GK, what is the full form of GK? General knowledge. Okay. So far we have revised lesson number 1 and lesson number 2. So today we will revise lesson number 3. Okay. So lesson number 3 is science around us. So what is the meaning of science, students? What is the meaning of science? So, science means the study of knowledge about the physical world and natural laws. Yes, about the physical world. We are living in this world, on the earth. So, science means the study of knowledge about the physical world and natural laws. Okay, so yes, is my screen shared to you all, students? Yes, okay. So, science is divided into three parts, which are they? Biology, chemistry, and physics. Okay, so let us see what is biology. Biology means the study of living things. The study of living things. For example, human beings, animals, plants, etc. The study of living things. Human beings, animals, plants, all these are living things. So, biology means the study of living things. Okay. Now, what is next? What is chemistry? What is chemistry? Yes, chemistry deals with properties, then composition, elements, compounds, energy. Okay, so students, all this you will learn in your bigger classes. Okay, about chemistry, biology, and the third one is physics. The third part is physics. What is physics? Physics means the study of natural natural forces such as light, sound, heat, then electricity, pressure, etc. This also you will learn in your higher classes. Okay. So our topic name is science around earth. Means what? Whichever things. Science around us means whichever things, animals, people, plants, chemicals, earth, okay, energy, all these are around us. These are in form of science. Okay, so science around us means whichever things, animals, peoples, plants, chemicals, energies, all these are available on the earth is known as science around earth. So science is all around us. It is in our home also, then the vehicles we drive, outside in nature, yes, the food we eat, yes. Then, so the science is very much important in our life. So we must have some basic scientific knowledge to improve the quality of our life. We should have some scientific knowledge. Okay. Now, So today we will learn something about biology, something about biology in today's part. Okay. So now biology is that we will see some the human body parts. We will see some human body parts. Here you can see our human biology. Okay. Student, can you see my screen? Okay, thank you so much. So our human body is made up of this digestive system. Okay. Now, in this, our body parts are made up of two types of organs, internal organ and external organ. Okay, internal organs means what? Whichever organs are there present in our body, inside the body, which we cannot see it, we cannot touch it. Okay, but they are very much important for our body to function it properly. Okay, and what is external parts? External parts means eyes, nose, legs, arms, mouth, feet. All these are external body parts which we can see, which we can touch. Okay, we can feel it. All are external body part. That means they are outside our body. They are on our body. Okay. So let us see about some internal body parts. See here on the screen, here you can see internal body parts. You can see your brain, lungs, liver, bladder, kidneys. Okay. Then here you can see heart, stomach, pancreas. Yes, so all these are internal body parts. So now let us see one by one our internal body parts. Okay. Yes. External body parts means which are outside our body. Yes, and that we can feel it. Yes. Now, first part. Yes, it is heart. Yes, you all are correct. Or this is the heart. Where is heart situated? Heart is situated inside our body. Heart is situated inside our body in the middle of the chest and lightly to the left side. Middle of the chest and lightly to the left side of our body. Okay, so your heart is of your, its size is of your fist. Here you can see the fist. What is fist? Fist means the fingers folded. That is your fist. So what is the size of your fist? Is the size of your heart. Okay, now Heart is very important organ of our body. Heart is very important part of our body. Now, let us see what does the heart do. What does the heart do? Now, heart acts like a pump circulating blood in our body. Heart acts like a pump circulating blood in the body. Now, the right side heart, here you can see the right side heart receives the blood from the body. The right side heart receives the blood from the body and it pumps it into the lungs. Then the left side of the heart does the exactly opposite of right. It receives the blood from the lungs and it pumps it out to the body. What does the right side do? Right side of our heart do? It receives the blood from the body and then it pumps into the lungs. And the left side of the heart, what does it does? It receives the blood from the lungs and again it pumps out to the body. So heart is very much important part in our body. Our life is dependent upon heart. Our life is dependent upon heart. Okay. Yes. So students, we to keep our heart healthy, we should do regular exercise and our heart is beating continuously. Our heart is beating continuously. Okay. Yes. So we have seen heart. Now let us see the next part, that is lungs. Lungs. Our lungs are located in the chest. Our lungs are located in the chest. The heart and lungs work together. The heart and lungs work together. Okay. So lungs are a pair of spongy air-filled organ located on either side of our chest. Lungs helps in respiration. What is the help function of the lungs? Lungs help in respiration. Okay. Now, students, what is respiration? What is respiration? Respiration means breathing. Respiration means breathing. We breathe continuously. We breathe continuously. Okay. Now, respiration includes inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation means taking air into the lungs and exhalation means breathing out, releasing out air. Okay. So, inhalation means taking air inside our lungs and exhalation means releasing the air from our lungs. Okay. So these two type of process, inhalation and exhalation, is respiration, is together called as respiration. Okay. Now, so lungs are also important part in our body. Yes, the respiratory system. Now, now let us see the third part, which is, what is it? It is kidney. Yes, it is kidney. The kidneys are a pair. Kidneys are a pair means what? Two. There are two kidneys in our body. Okay. Now, here you can see the kidneys are looking like bean shape. They are looking like a bean shape. Yes. So, they are located on either side of our spinal cords. Yes, they are located on either sides of our spinal cords, below our rib cages and behind your belly, behind your stomach. Okay, so what is the function of the kidney? What is the function of the kidney? It removes waste product. It removes waste products from the blood and regulate water level in the body. It regulates the water level in the body. In short, kidney's job is to filter our blood. What does it do? It filters our blood. It removes waste and extra water in form of urine. Okay, it removes waste and extra water in form of urine. So we all are having two kidneys. We all are having two kidneys. Yes. Here you can see the kidneys. Yes, they look like a bean shape. They look like a bean shape. Now, see here where the kidneys are located. The kidneys are located below our rib cages and behind our belly. Behind our belly. Yes? Yes. See, the kidneys, what does the kidneys do? They regulate water level in our body. And what does they do? They filters the blood. They filter the blood and it removes the waste, extra water from in form of urine. Okay. Yes. So the third part we have seen is kidney. Now let us see the fourth part, fourth internal organ. So this is, yes, it is brain. What is it? Brain. Now let's learn about important organ, brain. The brain is located in our head. It is located in our head. It is located under the skull. Okay, it is located under the skull. The skull protects our brain. What does the skull does? It protects our brain. Brain performs mainly functions like interrupting touch, vision, hearing, as well as speaking. Okay, now emotions, learning, control of our body movements, all these functions are controlled by our brain. All these functions are controlled by our brain. Its main function is to process information to the other parts of our body. Yes, so what does the brain do? The brain's function is to process the information to other parts of our body. Our brain tells us when you have to stand up, when you have to sit down, when you have to run. Every instruction is given by your brain. Okay, so brain is very much important part of our body. Now, see here you can see some boys are riding bicycles or motorcycles, scooters. Yes. So children, always remember whenever you go on bikes, scooters, you must wear helmet. You must wear helmet for the safety of your head and brain. Okay. Yes. Now, the fifth internal organ is liver. The fifth internal organ is liver. Liver is located at the right side of your belly. Where it is? Liver is located at the right side of your belly. Okay. Yes. Yes. See here, the liver has two large sections. The liver is having the two large sections called the right and the left lobes. The right and the left lobe. Yes. Now, what does the liver do in our body? What is the role of the liver? Yes, it regulates most chemical level in our blood. It regulates the chemical level in our blood and excretes a product called bile. It excretes a product called bile. So this helps in to carry away the waste products. This helps to carry away the waste products. It produces some proteins for the blood like plasma and bile, which helps in the process of digestion. It helps in the process of digestion. Okay, so students, for better functioning of liver, we should eat a balanced diet. We should eat a balanced diet. Yes, and we should drink more and more water. So liver is located in the right side of our belly. And what does it do? What is the function of the liver? It regulates the most chemical level in the blood and it excretes the product called bile. So that helps to carry away the waste product. It carry away the waste product. Okay, now the last internal part we are going to see is pancreas. Yes, pancreas is located behind the stomach in the upper left abdomen. Pancreas is located in the upper So the last part which we are going to see is pancreas. Yes, pancreas is located behind the stomach in the upper left abdomen. Yes, it is surrounded by other organs including the liver, small intestine, etc. Now, what is the function of the pancreas? What is the function of the pancreas? During the digestion process, pancreas make pancreatic juices. It makes pancreatic juices called enzymes. They are called as enzymes. Now these enzymes, what does this do? These enzymes break down in sugar, fats and starches. These enzymes break down in sugar, fats and starches. Now, it helps in digestion and regulates our blood sugar level. What does the pancreas do? The pancreas make pancreatic juices called enzymes, and these enzymes break down in sugar, fats and starches. Now, it helps in digestion process and it regulates the blood sugar level. Okay, so we have seen the 6 internal body parts, which are they? Heart, lungs, kidney, brain, liver and pancreas. Oh yes, so what we have learned today? We have learned about science and science around us. We have seen science is divided into 3 parts: biology, physics and chemistry, and biology is of human body functions, or it is about animals, plants, etc. Okay. Yes. Then we have learnt about body parts. We have learnt about body parts. There are two types of body parts: internal body parts and external body parts. Internal body parts and external body parts. Yes, internal body parts means which we cannot see, we cannot feel, we cannot touch, are called internal body parts. Okay. And what is external body part? External body part means which we can see, which we can touch, and we can feel it. Okay. Yes. Then we have also learned some internal body parts. Which are they? First, we have learned about heart. We have learned about heart. What does the heart do? It acts like a pump circulating blood in our body. The heart acts like a pump circulating blood in our body. Yes. Then the second we have seen is lungs. Yes. What does these do, lungs? They are the pair of airbags. They helps us in respiration. Lungs helps us in respiration, and respiration has two parts, two types of process: inhalation and exhalation. Okay, inhalation means taking the air inside our body, and exhalation means releasing air outside our body. Yes. The third we have seen is kidney. Yes, kidney. These two bean shaped organs, they are two bean shaped organs which removes waste product from the blood and regulate water fluid levels in the body. What does the kidney do? It looks like a bean shape. And what is the function of the kidney? It removes the waste product. Yes, and regulates the water level of our body. Yes. Then the fourth one is brain. Brain. Yes. It is the most important organ of the body. Yes, whose main function is to process information. It is the most important organ of the body whose main function is to process information to other parts of the body. Okay. Then the fifth one is liver. Fifth one we have seen is liver. Okay. What does it do? It produces some proteins for blood like plasma and bile, which helps in the process of digestion. Liver helps in the process of digestion. Then the sixth one is pancreas. Sixth body part we have seen, internal body part we have seen is pancreas. Okay. Now, what does the pancreas do? It helps in digestion process and it regulates our blood sugar level. Pancreas helps in digestion and regulates blood sugar level. Okay, so students, we have seen the body functions today. Yes, internal body parts and their functions. Okay. Okay, students. Yes. Students, tell me, how many kidneys do we have? How many kidneys do we have? Yes, very good, Adnya, Yug, Ovi. Ovi, good night. Is it good night now? Night now? So early you are going to sleep or what? Okay, very good, all of you. Those who have written two. Okay. Yes, we have 2 kidneys. Now tell me, what is the shape of the kidney? What is the shape of the kidney? Yes, it is bean shape. Yes, it looks like bean shape. Yes, very good. Okay. Okay. Now tell me, which organ is situated under the skull? Which organ is situated under the skull? Yes, very good. All of you, very good. Who is Ananya? Not liver, beta. Brain. Our brain is situated under the skull. Yes. Okay. Where do we wear helmet? Where do we wear helmet? Yes, we wear helmet on our head to protect our brain and head. Okay. Yes. Very good, all of you. Yes. Okay. Now tell me, what is the function of the heart? What is the function of the heart? What is the function of the heart? Yes, it supplies blood to our all parts of the body. Yes, it's yes, its function is to pump the blood. Yes, very good. It circulates the blood in our body. Yes, very good, all of you. Okay, now tell me, uh, what is the function of our lungs? What is the function of our lungs? In which process does it helps us? Yes. What is the process name? Tell me the name of the process. Yes, very good. Who is that? Krutarth? Yes, very good. It helps in respiration. It helps in respiration. Yes, okay. Yes. And tell me the two types or two process in the respiration. Which are they? I explained you two types of process in respiration. Yes, inhalation and another is inhalation and another is exhalation. Very good. Yes, correct the spelling, Krutarth, beta. Yes, inhalation and exhalation. This together is known as respiration. Okay. Now tell me, what is the function of pancreas? What is the function of pancreas? What does the pancreas do? What does the pancreas do, beta? Yes, to digest. Very good, Mohammed. Very good. In the process of digestion. And another thing is there. It regulates our blood sugar level. It regulates our blood sugar level. Pancreas helps in digestion and blood sugar level. Okay. Okay, very good. Tell me, what is the function of our brain? What is the function of our brain? What is the function of our brain? What does the brain do? Yes. What does the brain do? Yes. We collect knowledge in our brain. Okay. But what is the main function? Yes, very good, Yashashri. To process information to other body parts. Yes, to process information to other body parts. Very good. Okay. So I hope you have understood, all of you, the body functions, internal body parts. Okay. Yes. Okay. All of you, thank you. Have a good day. Bye, all of you.